The 2025 BMW 4 Series marks a defining chapter in BMW's commitment to blending luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology into a sleek, sporty package that continues to push boundaries in the luxury compact executive segment. Building upon the strong foundation laid by its predecessors, the 2025 iteration of the 4 Series takes the driving experience to new heights, offering a compelling mix of refined style, dynamic capability, and advanced innovation. It appeals to those who seek a car that is as much about emotional connection as it is about everyday usability. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 BMW 4 Series, it's clear this is a car designed to stand out. The exterior design is bold and purposeful, featuring BMW's signature large kidney grille that dominates the front fascia. Unlike previous, more restrained designs, the grille now stretches wider and sits lower, giving the car an assertive, almost predatory front-end stance. Flanking the grille are sleek, laser LED headlights that taper sharply toward the sides, equipped with adaptive technology that provides excellent visibility in all conditions while adding a touch of futuristic elegance. The body itself is sculpted with sharp creases and muscular contours that emphasize athleticism and aerodynamics. A long hood, short overhangs, and a wide track enhance the car's poised, dynamic posture. The coupe and convertible variants feature a fastback roofline that flows seamlessly into the rear, where slim LED taillights stretch across the trunk, accentuating the car's width. A subtle integrated rear spoiler and dual exhaust outlets complete the sporty aesthetic, underscoring the 4 Series performance credentials. Available in a range of eye-catching colors, including metallic blues, fiery reds, and classic whites, the 2025 model commands attention whether parked or in motion. Underneath this striking exterior, the 2025 BMW 4 Series offers a range of powertrains tailored to different driving tastes and efficiency needs. The lineup includes turbocharged 4-cylinder engines and more powerful turbocharged 6-cylinder options, with mild hybrid technology standard across the board to enhance performance and reduce fuel consumption. The entry-level 430i features a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine producing around 255 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, delivering a lively, efficient driving experience that suits daily commuting and spirited driving alike. For those craving more power and a more engaging drive, the M440i xDrive variant is equipped with a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6 engine that produces an impressive 382 horsepower and 369 lb-ft of torque. This engine pairs seamlessly with BMW's refined 8-speed automatic transmission, enabling rapid shifts and smooth power delivery. The M440i can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4.3 seconds, a figure that puts it firmly in sports coupe territory. All-wheel drive is standard on the M440i, providing enhanced traction and stability in varying weather conditions, while rear-wheel drive remains available for those who prefer a more traditional driving dynamic. One of the defining features of the 2025 BMW 4 Series is its chassis and handling prowess. The car rides on BMW's CLAR cluster architecture platform, which uses a combination of lightweight materials such as aluminum and high-strength steel to achieve an optimal balance between rigidity and weight savings. This results in an exceptionally agile and responsive car that communicates road feedback clearly while maintaining ride comfort. Adaptive M Sport suspension with electronically controlled dampers is standard on higher trims, allowing the suspension firmness to adjust dynamically to the road surface and driving style, making the 4 Series as comfortable on a smooth highway as it is sharp on winding backroads. The steering system is another highlight, with electric power assistance calibrated to deliver precise, communicative feedback. Drivers can select between several modes, Comfort, Sport, and Eco Pro, each adjusting throttle response, transmission behavior, and steering feel to suit mood and conditions. The M Sport model also adds an electronically controlled limited-slip differential, enhancing cornering grip and stability when pushing the car hard. Inside, the 2025 BMW 4 Series cabin exudes luxury and modern sophistication. The interior design adopts a driver-focused layout, placing controls and displays within intuitive reach. High-quality materials such as Napa leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum are used throughout, combined with soft-touch surfaces and meticulous attention to detail. Ambient lighting with customizable colors creates a soothing atmosphere during nighttime driving. The cockpit features a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable to show traditional gauges or more avant-garde displays including performance telemetry, navigation, and driver assistance information. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the latest BMW iDrive system, displayed on a curved 14.9-inch touchscreen that seamlessly integrates with a heads-up display projecting key information onto the windshield. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A premium Harman Kardon sound system is available for audiophiles, and multiple USB-C ports and wireless charging pads ensure devices remain connected and powered. Rear seat space in the coupe is somewhat snug, but the 4 Series remains practical enough for everyday use, with split-folding rear seats allowing the trunk space to be expanded for larger cargo. The convertible variant sacrifices some practicality for the open-air experience, but includes wind deflectors and active noise cancellation to maintain comfort at higher speeds. Safety and driver assistance have been upgraded in the 2025 model, incorporating BMW's latest suite of technologies under the Driving Assistant Professional package. This includes adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality, lane keeping assist with active steering intervention, blind spot monitoring, traffic jam assist, and emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection. The car can assist in certain highway driving scenarios, reducing driver workload while maintaining a hands-on driving experience. For drivers seeking even more excitement, BMW offers the M4 variant of the 4 Series, which pushes the performance envelope further with a hand-built 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-six producing up to 503 horsepower in competition models. The M4 incorporates upgraded brakes, reinforced chassis components, and track-focused suspension tuning, delivering a driving experience that rivals many supercars in terms of raw thrill. Ultimately, the 2025 BMW 4 Series embodies the essence of the modern luxury sports coupe and convertible. It balances everyday usability with thrilling performance, innovative technology with timeless style, and driver engagement with comfort. Whether tackling winding roads, cruising the freeway, or making a statement at the office, the 4 Series impresses with its versatility and charisma. It remains a testament to BMW's philosophy of sheer driving pleasure, appealing to drivers who demand more than just transportation. They want a car that inspires passion every time they take the wheel.